Hey, Mark Larson here from AM760, but right here at the Glock store in San Diego, and I'm learning to shoot better. Now, I did this about, 10 months ago or so, and a little rusty. Going to get better. Got my man Matt here, who's going to get me into this to make sure I'm doing it at the next level. And not only that, I'm going to beat Brett Winterble in a healthy AM760 competition that'll culminate on the 21st of September. So let the record show I'm here for lesson number 1 of this project. So I understand Brett's here an hour, like right after me. I finish in an hour? Is that true?
Sorry to say, he canceled today for some reason.
Already canceled?
He canceled, man.
What a wimp.
I don't know what's going on, yeah.
Can I have his time?
You can have his time if you want.
So, Matt, what are we going to do today?
Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to get all the basics out of the way. We're going to get your grip, stance, sight picture, sight alignment, and trigger press. So we're getting all those basics along with learning how to draw from the holster, and we're just getting you prepped and ready for the lessons to come, which you're going to be doing when we're moving and shooting, shooting through barricades, barrel rolls onto the floor. Perfect. Whoa, put it through the same hole.
You hold it.
Not a lone ranger.
I can't wait till next week.
Me either,
And
man.
Brett hasn't even started yet.
No more Brett.
Yeah, my Brett day. Winner. Don't forget, me, Larson versus Brett, or Brett versus me. Mano a mano, September 21st here at the Glock store. I'm gonna win.
Let's get it on.